guys, Alan from Lookers here. Today we're going to talk about electronic parking brake, how to use it and how do they work. So to do that we're going to need a car that has electronic parking brake, so we're going to use the Zafira Tourer. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So what is electronic parking brake? The electronic parking brake uses the rear brakes to lock the calipers in position to keep the car stationary. The electronic parking brake is located here on the gear stick. Let's show you how the electronic parking brake works. Firstly, we'll show you the manual way of doing it. So you put your foot on the brake, you then press down on the electronic parking brake to deactivate it, and pull up on the electronic parking brake to activate it.
There is also a visual cue on the dashboard.
So the other way that we can do it is electronically by not even touching the handbrake. So my hands are firmly stuck here. The electronic parking brake is on. I've already selected first gear. So all I'm going to do is find the bike and drive away, and hopefully you'll hear the electronic parking brake disengaging and see us driving away. So let's go. There we go. And we're off. Didn't touch it. We've arrived at our destination and we want to reactivate that electronic parking brake. All we do is we lift up on the parking brake itself. You hear that little noise at the back. The little P symbol appears on the dash, and we're all done. You can also use the electronic parking brake in reverse. So I've selected reverse. My hand again is going back on the steering wheel. All I'm going to do now is find the bike. And there we go, we're in reverse as well. So the electronic parking brake is great if you're on a hill, a steep incline, or you're just a little bit worried that you might roll forwards or backwards.
And that's electronic parking brakes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.
So maybe if we just slide that over there, I think it would flow a little bit better into the video. What do you think?
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that's quite good.
Okay.
But then, what about they're still here?
Oh, I think we want to know about the competition.
What competition?
The threes competition.
Oh yeah. So we're offering a chance for 3 people to come down to Ellesmere Port for a chance for a 3-hour test drive on one of the 3 new cars that Vauxhall are releasing later this year. So that's the Corsa, the Corsa-e and the Grandland X Hybrid 4.
For your chance to win this amazing prize, what you'll need to do are 3 things. Firstly, like one of our YouTube channel videos. Secondly, subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can be updated with all future content. And thirdly, comment below one of the videos that you've done so. This will enter you into the prize draw for this chance to win an amazing competition.